Oh boy, look at that perch, folks. Jeez. Isn't that a beaut? Look at that coloration. Have you guys ever seen anything like that? Isn't that wild? It's a bluegill. Look at the size of that monster bluegill, guys. Oh, that's a stud fish. Stud fish. Hey, calm down, big old boy. Holy shnikes. So I was just working on this edit from 2016. I actually thought I had lost part of this film. I had actually relocated it on my computer and couldn't find it for the longest time. Came across it last week, and so I've been super excited to get this done. Unfortunately, this was shot so long ago that I didn't have this beautiful camera, and all I had was my GoPro Hero. So if you know anything about shooting with GoPros, when they're in the waterproof housing, they sound like you're inside of a fish tank. So unfortunately, that's what we've got to deal with. I'm really sorry. I wish I had this camera to do this entire project with, but it was still a lot of fun, and it's a great thing. So I hope you enjoy.
Mrs. Holder started this whole event, and every year we're probably, the Division of Wildlife have probably given close to 2,500 fishing poles. Each of the kids gets to keep their own pole and everything. It's in my estimation, maybe the best program that the Division of Wildlife has had, because it's a positive feedback. And I see kids, when they get to be adults, still having these poles with them when they go fishing. And that's pretty special. That's pretty special. This lady right here started.
So as long as we can, we're just going to keep on having this first grade fishing day and party. So.
You can get in.
I got a fish!
You can. Bring it
I got a fish! I got a fish! I got a fish! I got a fish! I got a fish!
Does Grandpa want to take it off, or do you want me to? I don't mind one bit.
I got a fish! Okay, look at me. I got a fish!
What a great moment. Was that your first one? Was it?
Daddy, watch out! You almost caught yourself, Cole. One time I went back like this.
Oh, you're jumping the gun. You're too good, Colton. You gotta wait a second. Okay, you're good to go, Chloe. Oh, oh, oh! Way to be patient, little lady. There you go. Oh, yeah, it's really hard when your bobber's up against the end of your...
Yeah, you gotta leave a little bit of line there.
Okay, reel up a little bit for me. Did you hear your grandpa? Leave a little bit right here. See this gap? Let's tighten your drag up here. I loosened it too far. Okay, that's good. Now look, try to go over to the right of her bobber. Just watch your grandpa.
Colin got us hanged up. Hook up.
What do you mean, buddy? Oh. There you go. Not the first time, won't be the last. Yeah. Have you caught a fish yet, sweetheart? Here, bring it in here. Okay, look, we got our drag set really light here. Do you hear that clicking noise? That's your drag, okay? So when the fish starts taking it, it's going to pull on you. So we're going to tighten that up a little bit. Hold your thing. See, we're still really loose. You'll never get fishing like that. There, see, now if a fish grabs it, if it pulls too hard, it'll strip a little bit of line, but you'll still be able to reel them in, okay? Reel in a little bit. Oh, other way. There you go. Secret bait. How's that sound? We'll get you a fish. Okay. Oh, shoot. That one hit right away, didn't he? Did you see that? Your bobber wasn't even there for very long. Okay, here. Okay, so be ready. Now keep your rod tip down. Okay, reel up the slack. Reel up your slack a little bit. Reel in. Reel in just a little bit. We want to reel the slack in. Now watch your bobber, and when your bobber moves, you need to stop. A little bit more, a little bit more. There you go, right there, right there. Now keep your rod tip right there, and then as soon as it goes down, you're going to pull up on your rod. Okay? Exactly. You're going to go just like this. See my hands? You're going to go, whoop, and that'll set the rod. Get ready, you got one playing with it. See how it moved that way? See it moving? You got one messing with it. Go, set it. Did you get him?
I think you did.
Good job, little lady. Good job. Great, Evelyn. Bring him in. Great job. Okay, you ready to see your fish? Whoa, he's a fighter, isn't he?
Yeah, you got a good one.
Okay, you ready? Look at that fish, sweetheart. Would you like to touch it? There you go. Good job, little lady. Oh. Okay, you ready to bring him in?
She caught two. They're like that big.
There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, nice! Nice! Good job! You're welcome, thank you. Oh, here then. I thought you were teasing me. Here, take it. Take it. Here. Here, buddy. Here. No, here, take it. Here. I thought he was teasing me. Thank you, man. Get a hook. I don't trust you with the hook, buddy. I don't trust you with the hook. I hardly even trust you with the blobber. But we're going to go with it this time because of her.
I caught a fish, but he jumped off my hook.
Well, that's okay. You're welcome, sweetheart. Did you have fun? Good deal.
Hey, let's go.
It worked for people like Mrs. Holder that started this in the school, and Cheyenne there, who is a student volunteer, wants to be a wildlife officer. That's the legacy. That's all the legacy that we have to pass on. One of my buddies, one of the game wardens that retired before several years ago, told me that everything that we started out protecting is dead now. But I've been doing this for 41 years. So that's our legacy right there, are these kids. Hopefully they'll have that same appreciation and everything for wildlife that we have. That's what my mom and dad taught me, and that's why we do what we do. Yeah, I appreciate it. What's that? Did you have fun? All right, here. Good job. Good job. You're all checked out, buddy?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now you want to
Thank you, bud.
Thank
Thank you, buddy. Take care of yourself. You guys be good this summer.